This creature can punch as powerful as a bullet, and it is only the size of a cigar. This is the mantis shrimp. Somewhere on the seafloor, a crab is about to make the worst mistake of its life. The shrimp doesn't retreat, it doesn't panic, it simply waits. Because folded inside those small forelimbs is a club, spring-loaded, cocked, holding back an extraordinary amount of energy. The crab takes one step too many. The club releases. In 0.003 of a second, it travels faster than a .22 caliber bullet. The water around it superheats. Cavitation bubbles collapse with a second shockwave. The crab never stood a chance. It is not the biggest thing in the sea. It is just the most dangerous thing you'd never notice.